Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of GK. In this channel, I provide general knowledge questions. In my previous video, we discussed the state animals of all states and union territories of India. In this video, we will discuss the state birds of all states and union territories of India. So, let's start the video. If you are new in my channel, I am requesting you to subscribe the channel, like my videos and share it to your friends. State bird of Andhra Pradesh, rose-ringed parakeet. State bird of Arunachal Pradesh, great hornbill. State bird of Assam, white-winged duck. State bird of Bihar, house sparrow. State bird of Chhattisgarh, bustard hill moina. State bird of Goa, flame-throated bulbul. State bird of Gujarat, greater flamingo. State bird of Haryana, black francolin. State bird of Himachal Pradesh, western tragopan. State bird of Jharkhand, Asian quail. State bird of Karnataka, Indian roller. State bird of Kerala, great Indian hornbill. State bird of Madhya Pradesh, Indian paradise flycatcher. State bird of Maharashtra, yellow-footed green pigeon. State bird of Manipur, Hume's pheasant. State bird of Meghalaya, hill moina. State bird of Mizoram, Hume's pheasant. State bird of Nagaland, Blythe's tragopan. State bird of Odisha, Indian roller. State bird of Punjab, northern hawk. State bird of Rajasthan, great Indian bustard. State bird of Sikkim, blood pheasant. State bird of Tamil Nadu, emerald dove. State bird of Telangana, Indian roller. State bird of Tripura, great imperial pigeon. State bird of Uttar Pradesh, Saurus crane. State bird of Uttarakhand, Himalayan monal. State bird of West Bengal, white-breasted kingfisher. State bird of Andaman and Nicobar Island, Andaman wood pigeon. State bird of Chandigarh, Indian grey hornbill. State bird of Delhi, house sparrow. State bird of Ladakh, black-necked crane. State bird of Lakshadweep, sooty tern. State bird of Puducherry, Asian quail. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.